All right, so this is a Spectre 3-inch intake kit, basically, that I got at O'Reilly. You can get it at AutoZone also. This is how it looks when it's installed, and it replaces this right here. So, you know, if you're replacing yours, it's probably because this part right here is getting crusty. Ugh, I can see mine. Anyway, yeah, see it? This one's actually not completely toast, but I'm gonna replace it anyway because, oh yeah, it is. See, the underside is torn. So how you do it is you just lift up on this, move this forward. Okay, and now you got this piece here. And the only thing that you need to save if you're using the Spectre kit is this. So what you'll do is when you open up the packaging for the Spectre kit, you'll get this right here, and inside the tubing is this folded piece. Okay, this folded piece has a smooth inside, and then the other part is has basically the start of some threads. And what you do is, this is like a perfect fit. What you're gonna do, it's really tough to do this with one hand. You're gonna get it around this collar and slide it underneath this edge. Okay, and so anyway, let me get that done. Actually, I can do it with one hand. Just shows you how simple this is. Okay, so there's that. And now that, I'm gonna tuck it all in. I especially like this because the original intake could actually transfer heat from the engine, and this is going to suck cold air all the way through the tube. So here's how it works. Put this guy with its collar on, so that's already in place. And I like I mean, there's no reason to even trim it, really. So what you're gonna do, lift the cover, give yourself access. This slides right over the intake box. And see, this is as simple as this. You just turn it right inside here, and you just put it inside here, and you rotate it, and it starts threading. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to clean that up a little bit, but basically that's what it does. And you can see, you can put a little bend in it so that it's a straight fit. But when it's done, look how nice that is. You're getting cold air coming through the front here with no air going through the center here next to the engine. So that's how it works.